Maintaining 5 programmers on staff at any given time is not a cheap endeavor, and we could buy the complete solution from NISC and save a whole lot of money. And that was the main driver. The fringe benefits, I call it, were the updates, the flexibility, getting to projects that we would never do in-house, the integrations in the system, credit card payments, all that kind of stuff really were the icing on the cake. One of the biggest things that we had issues with is workflow management. Who touches what at one point? And what we'd seen in previous reiterations is everybody was working on it at the same time. So we had engineering working on it, as customer service was working on it, as the IT guys were provisioning it. And so what we were having is 3 different people working on the same project at the same time doing the same thing. And one of the big benefits I saw was we were able to line it out. So everybody got a piece of that workflow and they did their part and it moved on to the next person. I don't have to have 3 resources working on the same project at the same time. So what we discovered is actually cost reduction, and it really reduced who had to touch the project at what time. And so we could actually expand the amount of work being done by all 3 groups. That was the real game changer for us. We were seeing a lot of issues with quality and speed to delivery of the product. Service, product, whatever we were trying to do. And what we were finding is that customers were waiting too long, or it took too long to reach the right person to get the job results that we needed. And so what we did is we actually looked at changing the scope of what we're measuring, not so much about the quantity, but the duration. And how long does customers have to wait? And what we've discovered, and I'm sure everybody else has discovered, is people are impatient and they want that instantaneous result. And how do we deliver it? Because I can guarantee you the next guy is working on it. And if we're not there, we're gonna get skipped over. One of the biggest differences I see with NISC versus a lot of the other vendors is the personal interaction. It's the personal touch and the care. That's one of the things that I like about NISC and their ability to reach my employees. When I have to drive conversations for other employees to get results, that's a problem. And I haven't had to do that for the majority of what we've done with NISC. And that's been a big deal for me because I don't like to babysit projects. It's too hard, and I haven't had to do that.